Alright, the video we're going to do today is on a 33 touch through your market leader or eEdge website with Keller Williams. So the address for this is mykw.kw.com. Go ahead and enter your username and password and click your left mouse button on the login button. Once this comes up, we're going to be using the market leader or eEdge portion of the website. So we're going to click on view contacts. So go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring up your contacts information page. To do your 33 touch, you first want to have a group put in there, and we're going to do this by clicking on the manage groups, which is up in the right hand corner, the top right hand side, right underneath the big red find contact button. So go ahead and click on your left mouse button there. This is going to bring up the list of groups that you've created. If you have not created a group, or you need to create your 33 touch, right here where it says create new groups in this box, click on that to get your cursor there and type in 33 touch and go ahead and click on save. Alright, and you can put whatever name you want in there. It's just a way for you to kind of classify where your contacts are coming from, and for this instance we're going to use this group to tell us which contacts are receiving this particular advertisement. Okay, so we've got this group in. Now we're going to go over here to create marketing. And once you get to the create marketing page, you need to make sure you have your profile set up first, which is in the upper left hand corner. There are 7 steps to this, and there are 2 ways to navigate. Across the top here you will find the links for each step, and they're also here on this first page. We're going to go ahead and go to contact info. You want to ensure that this information is correct, because this is what will show up on your marketing. To change this particular information, you will be doing that from your initial intranet screen. Click on view contacts. On the left hand side there will be a navigation bar, and underneath it you will see the word admin, and then underneath that you will see website. When you click on website, you will be brought to an option that says page info or profile info page. The profile info page is where you will be changing any information that is under your contact info or your office info. So I'm going to go ahead and move to the next one. Make sure your office info is correct. If your office info is correct, good. If not, you need to change it again underneath the admin website profile info page. The next step is your logo. If you use the standard office logos from Keller Williams Realty, you can click on any of the radio buttons down here that you need to be compliant with whatever board you're in. For our office, we use a specific logo that has our franchise name underneath. So I do that by clicking upload image. I'm going to browse my system to find the image that I want. Once I found the image, I'm just going to click on it, and then I would click open. Once the image is open, I would click on upload, and once it's uploaded, it will give you an option to crop it down. Just expand the box to make it the size you want, and click save. And once you've got that, it'll come back to this screen. Click on the blue radio button to make sure it's blue. Scroll all the way down. On the bottom right hand side is the button that says save. It does look a little light, but do click on that or you won't save your work. And you'll notice with any of the eEdge information, your next button or your save button will always be at the bottom right hand of your screen. So make sure that you check for those. Alright, the next one is going to be your photo, your team photo, your headshot. Once you get here, you're going to again click on upload image, find your image on your hard drive, click open, click upload, and crop the image to the correct size. Once you've done that, click save. And once you've saved, the next option is a postal indicia. This is the picture if you use bulk mail to allow you to send out direct mail postcards. And once you're done there, you want to adjust your preferences there are 2 options here. Just click on the options that you want and click save. Once you're done with that, then we're going to start on the actual campaign itself. Okay, so your profile is set up. That should be a one-time deal unless something changes with your contact information or which particular market center you're in. So with the Design Center, there are two things that you're going to be focused on. You're going to be focused on the portfolio, which is any marketing material that you already have made, and then your design gallery is any marketing material that you are going to make. So right now we're going to create a campaign, so I'm going to go to Design Gallery. A 33 touch is for your have-mets, so it would be your sphere. So with that thinking process, we want to go to Marketing My Sphere, and right under here is 33 touch campaign. So we want to go ahead and click on that 33 touch campaign, and once it comes up, it's basically giving you a preview of what the campaign is. You need to select it if it is what you would like. Okay. This is just asking you to name the file so you know what the name of your campaign is. I'm going to call it 33 touch 1, and then I'm going to click on the next button. The next thing that will pop up is your contacts. You can add them by individuals or by groups. We set up the group so that it will be easier for you to manage, so let's go ahead and click on the group button. Right here I'm going to highlight the group that I want by clicking the left button on it, and then I need to move it to the right hand side so that it knows it's an included group. If you would like to move all the groups over, this button here will move everything from the left to the right, and this will move everything from the right to the left. Okay. Once you're done there, just click on Save. Now that you've selected the campaign and chose the contacts, it's going to actually consider your campaign started, so it's going to move it to your portfolio. So when the portfolio comes up, you'll notice that it is right here, and it is listed as paused. Okay. So now that this is here and it's paused, I'm going to come over and tell it to start the campaign. Okay, so I've selected the campaign, I've named it, I've started the campaign, and I've told it which contacts to put in it based upon the group that I've added. This particular campaign is considered a date-based campaign. What that means is if you look, it says date to send, and it will have an actual calendar date to send this is going out. They do this because of the newsletters, so that it's consistent on the date that people will receive newsletters. Anything that has been previously sent out, you will not be able to edit, and you will not be able to turn off. Once you come down here, today is November 16th, so my next one is November 21st. So now I'm given the option to turn off the item within the campaign so that it will not send it. And if I don't like something with that particular campaign, I'm going to choose the next one because it has a little more text. I can click on Edit Project. Everything in here is form based, so it's going to give you line by line. You can edit the material on the card. If you have someone that's working with you that you just want their name but not necessarily a picture, you can add a secondary agent's name in the box as well. Click Next to go to the next screen. Verify that your picture is the way you would want it. These are the remaining pictures within the actual e-postcard. If you look, this is right here in the top right hand corner. This is on the bottom. If you would like to change these, you can do one image at a time, similar to the way that we did your logo or headshot by uploading an image, or you can upload all three images at once by clicking on Image Assistant. Once the Image Assistant loads, you can upload images by clicking here, and again you're just going to go to your hard drive and select the images you want and open them. And once you've opened them, they will be listed here, and you just click on Upload here and it will actually upload your images into the Image Assistant. Once they are here, it is a drag and drop, which means you push your left mouse button on the image you would like, drag it over to Photo 1 and release it, and it will place your image there. They also have stock images in this image assistant that you could click on. So if you wanted something different, you could use one of the stock images that they have by, again, just holding your left mouse button, dragging it over the picture, and letting go. Once you've got this the way you would like, click close, and then click next on your card. This is the individual text. You can view the layout to find out what highlight 1 corresponds to by clicking view layout. It will tell you right here, view highlight 1, highlight 2, highlight 3. You notice it's view 1, highlight 1, and then view 1, remark 2. Some of these postcards will have more than one view, so make sure that you realize that you're in view 1, highlight 1, and then just adjust the text to make it as personalized for you as you would like it to be. Once you've gotten through this, this is it for this particular postcard, but I will show you this. A lot of the advertisements or campaign materials will have a drop down box, so you can skip around, especially for the larger ones, so you don't always have to go through the user photo or the photo column if you don't want to change any of that. Click done when you're done with that. Okay, so we have selected the campaign, named the campaign, added the group to the campaign that we would like to send it to, made any adjustments that we need. The only thing we need to do now is add contacts to the group that we're sending this to. So we're going to come up here to this top bar and scroll down to view contacts and click on that. This is going to take me back to my contacts menu. Once I'm here, I'm going to search for me, so I'm going to put in my own name there, and I'm going to click find contact. It's not going to find it because I have my status set to trash right now, but I'm going to go ahead and click on all, and there I am. Okay, so for me to select myself for this group, I want to click on my name. This is actually going to allow me to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I can click on groups, scroll down some more, and I can add a group here. So I want to add myself to 33 Touch 2, which puts me in the group for my campaign, and I'll select add. I've been successfully added to the group, so the next time the advertisement goes out or the touch goes out, I will be contacted with it. If for some reason I change my mind and I do not want this person in the campaign, I click on the little red X and it goes away. The other way you can do it, if you have multiple contacts to add at one time, is to simply check each box, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and click on Add Groups, and check the box, click Add. It will add all of those individuals to the group, and if I have a large amount of people that I would like to remove from the group, I select each box and click on the group I would like to remove them from. And there you have it. That is how you set up a 33 Touch. Anyone that you add to the group of 33 Touch will automatically receive the next mailing going out. Hope this helps you with your projects. Thanks.